Welcome to my channel, An Easy Step to English Grammar. Today I am going to discuss with you within a very short time, that is the short video, that there are some adjectives which become noun after taking y as suffix. For example, dart, dirt, dart plus y, dirty, they become adjective. Might, might, might plus y, mighty, become adjective. Dart, dirty, might, mighty. But there are some adjectives which become noun after taking y suffix. For example, modesty, modest plus y, honesty, honest plus y, honesty. Clear? Certain plus y, certainty. Casual plus ty, casualty. Poor, poverty. Thanking all of you. Goodbye.